Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Amazon. It's a manila envelope, kind of looks pretty beat up. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is a manila envelope I got from Amazon. It says fulfillment center. I'm not sure what's in here. There's a corner right here, it's kind of open. Front also has a little hole in it. Looks like the bubble wrap's still intact. This is just going to be a quick look video. This is going to be kind of a teaser video. I'm not going to open it in this video. Just give you guys a little want to see the next video. I'm not really sure what's in here. It could be a number of Dewalt things that I ordered, but stick around, check out that unboxing, which will be the next video. Will be posted the day after. I always do the tool hauls first. I post that video, then it entices you to want to see the next video, which is the next day for that video. So this will be, for an example, today, and the unboxing will be tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.